Guys, well, there's a bunch of tornado warnings for today. It's actually everybody in my house is sleeping right now. It's 8:10. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that I'm probably not gonna be making videos for a couple days because there's like high wind watch and tornado watches and stuff like that. So, just heads up, see you guys in probably a long time, because there's supposed to be a big storm hitting here. So, okay, see you in a while, and happy, well, FYI, Christmas Eve is today. Comment and tell me what you're doing for Christmas Eve. Are you like going anywhere, going to church or anything? But I'll see you guys later. Bye.